Thanks for staying with us. Now, close on the heels of the incident of a teen girl's murder in Lakhimpur Kheri, a 14-year-old girl has practically lost vision in both eyes after being stabbed by two men who tried to rape her. One of the accused, named Niranjan, has been arrested. The other accused is still missing. The police have registered a case at the moment. The incident occurred early on Saturday morning when the girl was dragged into the fields by the attackers. When she resisted, they assaulted her. She was discovered in the fields by villagers and was later on rushed to the district hospital.
बाईं आँख ज़्यादा डैमेज है, बाईं आँख की पलक भी फटी हुई है, अंदर आँखों की जो परतें होती हैं, स्क्लेरा होता है, कंजंक्टिवा होती है, कॉर्निया होती है, वो काफ़ी हद तक डैमेज है, करीब 80% डैमेज है। कॉर्निया जो देखने का मुख्य पार्ट होता है आँख का, वो हैजी हो चुका है।
On to another story of national news. The sailors on board the MV Suez are abandoning ship now and moving to a Pakistan ship, PNS Babar. They will then be moved to PNS Zulfikar. Suez has run out of fuel at the moment. The tugboat that was sent to tow away the MV Suez broke down a short while ago as well. Another tugboat will be sent to tow away the abandoned ship. For the last several days, the crew of MV Suez, who were released by Somali pirates, have been struggling to make it home. Encephalitis has claimed the life of 17 children so far in Bihar's Muzaffarpur district over the last 2 weeks. Alarmed by the situation, the Bihar government dispatched the health secretary to the Sri Krishna Medical College and Hospital. Blood samples have been collected from 4 children who are said to be in a serious condition. Another 30 children have been admitted to the same hospital. The Bihar government has said that they are taking all possible measures to address the situation, including constant monitoring and supply of medicines. Now, it is Rahul Gandhi's 41st birthday today. He is not in town, but some minor celebrations have been planned by party workers. And here's what senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh had to say about the birthday and this more than ordinary Congress MP.
ये सारा निर्णय तो वो करेंगे, लेकिन राहुल जी ज़मीनी हकीकतों से वाकिफ़ हो रहे हैं और ये देश बहुत बड़ा देश है और ज़मीनी हकीकत जब तक ना हो तो सही प्रकार से काम ही नहीं कर पाएंगे। राजीव जी को तो पद संभालना पड़ा क्योंकि एक दुखद दुर्घटना के कारण इंदिरा जी नहीं रहीं, लेकिन अभी समय है और राहुल जी को अपने ढंग से अपने अनुभव के आधार पर निर्णय करने दें। हम राहुल जी के जन्मदिन पर उन्हें हार्दिक बधाई देते हैं और उनका ये वर्ष उन्हें और ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाए, मंगलमय हो, ये हमारी प्रार्थना है। इस वर्ष उनको हम दूल्हा के रूप में देखना चाहते हैं।
Moving to the world of education on the national front, just a few years ago, 95% seemed an impossibility, but not anymore, with colleges like SRCC and Hindu already full before the second cutoff is announced. NDTV Hindu's Imtiaz Jalil finds out why exactly that is happening.
My dad tells me during his time 60% was very good. It would have been very good now. I would have been one of the toppers if I was in that era.
Ali Amir finds himself at the crossroads. He has scored just over 61% in the higher secondary exam and is waiting to get admission in Pune's Wadia College, where the cutoff is 75%.
We have got a few friends of mine have been in 50s and 60s and even 70s, early 70s, so they are also having a lot of problem in getting admission. In this competitive world, 60% is, you can say, very average, below average.
A feeling shared by many others like him who have got first divisions at a time when cutoffs are going through the roof, especially in Delhi, where in one college it's 100%. Students say that's absurd.
This is actually absurd. It's like wrong. You around catch 100 students, 50 students, 100%. But the other 50 students is like, you're trying to make us machines. No, we're children, yaar. We make errors. How do you expect us to take 100% result out here?
The growing cutthroat competition is causing concern among educationists too.
I hope this is one-off case and there will be students who will be able to actually get into any college of their choice not just by marks but many other features that students and the qualities that students have.
With Imtiaz Jalil in Pune, in New Delhi, Vega Bakshi for NDTV.
Well, it's an irreplaceable romantic rally between Djokovic and Wozniacki. Wondering where and why and when? Come right back after this short break to find out.